Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home. It protects everything underneath from Michigan's unpredictable weather, including snow, ice, wind, rain, and summer heat. Over time, even the most well-built roofs will begin to wear down. If you're a homeowner in Shelby Township, recognizing the early signs of roof deterioration can help you avoid costly damage and plan for a timely, stress-free replacement. Here are the key signs that it may be time to replace your roof. Your roof is 20 years or older. For most asphalt shingle roofs, the most common type in Shelby TWP, have a lifespan of 20 to 25 years. If your roof is approaching or has passed that age, it may be time to consider replacement, even if it appears to be in decent condition. Over time, weather and temperature fluctuations cause shingles to lose effectiveness, making your home more vulnerable to leaks and energy loss. If you're unsure of your roof's age, check your home improvement records or ask a local roofing expert to perform an inspection. Shingles are curling, cracking, or missing. Take a walk around your home and visually inspect your roof. If you notice curling or buckling shingles, cracked or broken pieces, shingles missing altogether, it's a clear indication that your roof is nearing the end of its life. Damaged shingles allow water to seep underneath, which can lead to rotting wood, mold growth, and structural issues. Shelby TWP experiences heavy snowfalls and freeze-thaw cycles, which can accelerate this type of damage. Acting early can save you from more costly repairs down the road. Granules in gutters or around the foundation. As shingles age, they begin to shed their protective granules. These granules look like coarse, black sand and can often be found in your gutters or around your home's foundation. Granule loss means your shingles are no longer offering adequate protection from UV rays and moisture, making your roof more susceptible to leaks and premature aging. It's one of the earliest warning signs that a roof replacement is on the horizon. Leaks or water stains in the attic or ceiling. Water stains on ceilings, damp insulation, or visible leaks in your attic during a rainstorm are red flags. These symptoms typically mean that your roof's underlayment has been compromised and water is making its way inside. A leaky roof can quickly lead to mold, mildew, rotting wood, and even electrical hazards if left unaddressed. In Shelby Township's cold, wet seasons, leaks can also freeze and expand, causing even more damage. Sagging roofline. If your roofline appears wavy, bowed, or sagging, it may indicate structural damage beneath the shingles. This could result from prolonged water damage or weakened decking material. Sagging is a serious issue and should be addressed immediately by a professional. In some cases, a full roof replacement is the safest and most effective solution. Rising energy bills. Have your heating and cooling bills crept up lately? A failing roof could be letting conditioned air escape and allowing outdoor temperatures in. Poor insulation caused by aged shingles or damaged underlayment forces your HVAC system to work overtime. Replacing your roof with modern, energy-efficient materials can help stabilize indoor temperatures and reduce your monthly utility costs, especially important in Shelby TWP's hot summers and frigid winters. Visible sunlight through roof board. If you can see daylight coming through the boards in your attic, that's a sure sign your roof structure has been compromised. This could mean gaps between shingles or damage to the underlayment and decking, all of which require immediate attention. Final thoughts. Don't wait until it's too late. A failing roof can affect your home's comfort, safety, and value. If you've noticed any of the signs above, it's time to reach out to a trusted Shelby TWP roofing professional for an inspection. Early action can prevent expensive damage and ensure your home stays protected through all 4 Michigan seasons. A roof replacement may seem like a big investment, but when done right, it brings lasting peace of mind and boosts your home's value for years to come.